Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So it is, we're in February of 2026, and we definitely have a lot of snow. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. So you can see here we had some warm up here, but we've had a lot of snow and ice and cold temperatures. We were I believe it was -8. So I'm kind of wondering about some of the roses and some of the perennials, but with the snow being down, I'm hoping that it was enough to insulate them so it couldn't freeze the whole way down through. So the greenhouses this year, we have not started planting anything in them yet. The old greenhouse here, which is the first greenhouse, that one there, last year our heating system went down in it, which we never had that happen before. And the one in the back there, that one there went down again. The whole thing froze. So I'm not sure. We don't know if it damaged. So we don't know if any of the water pipes in that broke or not. All of the pumps got unhooked, and everything got unhooked from the heater because everything was frozen solid in it. We had that we had that flash freeze come through, and we had some damage to the greenhouse in late December. The wind was blowing that much that it ripped that back door there open, and it smashed the vent behind it, and it busted it all to pieces. So I believe we do have other vents for it, and that will have to be replaced. We tried to cover it the best that we could, but we had that one freeze before, but not to the extent that it froze this last time. So we're kind of waiting to see the extent of the damage in there, if there is any to the pipes and stuff from the water freezing. We heat the greenhouses with radiant heat, and that particular greenhouse there has a different type of hot water heater in it, and it doesn't seem to work the best for it. It's one where it doesn't have a water tank on it like that. It's a tankless water heater, and it doesn't seem to work the best for heating this particular greenhouse. Whereas the old greenhouse has it has an actual tank water heater in it, and that one there does much better. So normally by now we would have stuff planted in the old greenhouse, our seedlings, and they'd be up and growing, but we're kind of trying to figure out here. We don't want to put a whole bunch of work and time into it and lose all of our hard work because the heating system went down. We don't know why the heating system had shut down. It never happened before, and what we've been seeing is it's been staying on, but we're just kind of, it's been so cold out and windy and ice and different things, so it's we do have to get our stuff planted, but we're just trying to make sure that we can first trust the heating system. I'm not going to try and go in them because I'm not sure if there's, I don't know if there's anything in front of this door or not, but we are going to have to go in them at some point and get them cleaned out and try and figure out. This one here I know is working because it was checked and it still was heated in it. Our plastic is getting old on this one and it does need replaced. But you can see here all that snow that's melted around there. That's from the heat escaping out of that greenhouse. But then we have the other greenhouse over there. But what can happen with these greenhouses is when you start getting really hard wind gusts and the wind starts really blowing, it actually rocks and shakes the frames back and forth, and it lets the doors start moving, and your doors can start coming open then. So that is an issue that we definitely have with this greenhouse here, and we are going to be addressing that So right now there's a rock and a bucket up against that door to try and hold it closed. But I'm thinking about getting some kind of lock type thing on it where it can be secured better, especially during high winds. Because what you don't want to happen is you don't want to have your stuff all nice and planted up and have it be cold out and have your door come open and all that cold air rushes in, because you will damage and kill your seedlings and your plants. It wiped everything out in that greenhouse in there when the heating system went down. I don't know if my dad's chestnut trees survived or not, because he had those in there, but I know everything else in there is completely gone. So, as we start our plantings and stuff, I'll be coming back with more videos and more video updates. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you to put a new video on. Thank yous for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.